stating that due process was not followed in the decision by the UMNO Supreme Council on Friday night. Former UMNO top names Khairy Jamaluddin and Tan Sri Noor Omar said it was unfair to punish them without giving them the reasons. Former UMNO Youth Chief and former Rembau MP Khairy confirmed that he was, quote, summarily and unilaterally sacked from a party which he has been loyal to for 23 years. Khairy shared a throwback picture of him and former Defence Minister Dato Sri Hishamuddin Hussein, who was suspended in UMNO's Big Purge, and told him to, quote, chin up, saying that this is far from over. Immediately after the announcement of his sacking on Friday, Khairy tweeted, quote, tonight I was sacked by the party which I loved, to which I had given loyalty. I'm bowed, I'm bent, I'm broken. The former health minister also changed his Twitter bio to Negeri Sembilan Racing Bicycle Association president as soon as the announcement was made. Meanwhile, former UMNO stalwart Noor said he would rather be booted out than be in cohort with the party's top leadership.
Maka saya melihat bahawa UMNO hari ini sudah tidak ada peraturan, tidak ada perlembagaan dan UMNO hari ini akan menuju kepada kehancuran.
According to Noor, action was initiated against leaders who were brave enough to be vocal, as the party president did not like them to speak up. Meanwhile, UMNO leaders, who were suspended for 6 years from the party on Friday, were unapologetic and looked set to fight back.
Apa yang berlaku tidak sesekali mematahkan semangat saya untuk cekal berjuang demi agama bangsa dan tanah air. Ini bukanlah pengakhiran. This is not the end, but merely a beginning, a new beginning.
The former defence minister said that he will have to discuss with the leadership of Sembrong UMNO on what his course of action will be. Earlier, in a cryptic post on his Facebook page, Hisham said, quote, their evil must not make us lose our good. Besides Hishamuddin, Jempol UMNO Division Chief Dato Sri Muhammad Salim Sharif, Tebrau UMNO Division Chief Datuk Maulizan Bujang, former UMNO Information Chief Syahril Hamdan and former Youth Exco member Datuk Dr. Fadul Bari Mat Jaya were also suspended. The action was taken against them because they were deemed to have criticised the party president and worked with opposition parties during the last general election.